I know I haven't posted in a week, but I've been doing a lot lately, and I'm redoing my room 100%. Like, I've been trying to redo my room for like the past 2-3 years, but slowly but surely I've been trying to see what I actually really like as a room design. So you guys already know I got my vanity. I did get my shoe rack. This will be coming out tomorrow because I did get the new TV console. That's coming in tomorrow. And after that, I'm slowly but surely going to get either plants and a mirror to put next to the vanity thing. I'm clearing a lot of stuff out. The CDs that were in this little vanity thing are over there because I am going to organize them. But this is what I've been doing. My room is a little bit of a mess right now due to me reorganizing everything. I did make a list on what I needed from Amazon because Amazon is really quick with deliveries. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to change this whole entire room completely. Literally. And I'm going to show you how it looks now so you guys can see later on how it's going to look different. So this is the after. It's literally a whole mess because I'm redecorating the whole thing, and I was just on my bed sleeping. So but yeah, this will change also again, but this is how it looks, and then we're gonna change it at the end and you're going to get a room tour. That's about it. Yeah, but I probably am gonna, first this is part 1 and then the part 2 probably is gonna be the room tour. So it could be 2 separate videos because not it's gonna be a very long video. But that's what we're gonna do. So I already cleaned the shelf, and then tomorrow morning I'm gonna clean the side of it, and me and my brother are going to take everything. I'm gonna take everything from the top once I see the vanities here, and then I'm just going to take this out. But yeah, this is what we're going to do, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, so it is, I think it's 12 p.m. in the afternoon, and I already got the baskets for the TV console, and I organized them like this right now. They're right here until I get the TV console because it's, not here yet. But I did have certain paintings, and I did wanted to get paintings, but I'm like, I could just use the paint I drew because it's my type of thing. So I decided to use this little area of the wall, do my paintings I have done myself, and I did one in the entrance. This will be out because I'm gonna reorganize the whole thing, but I'm thinking of getting like a welcome neon sign here when you enter. But that's about it for right now because I am waiting for everything else to come in. But yeah, I love this little Polaroid wall thing I did. I did get clear tape, double-sided clear tape for the back of them, but I do have a little design of what I'm gonna do for this area right here, and it does involve me and my art, but in like a smaller vintage dark academy type of aesthetic, because I do like darker tones more than like lighter tones. So this is what it's gonna be for here, but I'll do soon. I'm keeping this one right here, this like home thing, because I do want to feel like it is home, and it does feel like it's home, so I'm gonna keep it in there. But that's what I got for right now. And slowly but surely I'm going to record each and everything that I do in this room. Right now is a hella mess because, like I said, I'm redoing everything, and everything is going to be a mess in order for me to get where I want to be. So yeah, we're just gonna wait and see what happens. I probably am gonna start doing those little picture frames, the little pictures in my book, and then stick in a wall or paint them first. I don't know yet, but we'll see what happens. Hey guys, so I literally did the dresser and it's been like 2 days since I already did it. This is how it looks. It came out so freaking beautiful. Look how it looks. Literally looks so amazing. This area looks better than it was before, but we're gonna get a full room tour after I finish doing it. I'm doing this area, which I already cleared out and everything. Everything is ordered in place, but like I said, I'm going around my room just fixing and organizing stuff. But right now I literally just finished eating because my camera died, and I got this from this plate from this Hawaiian place. It's amazing, and I wanted to try the kimchi because everybody keeps telling me kimchi it's good, but the kimchi they had is spicy, and I don't eat spicy foods like that. I used to, but then it messed up my stomach, so nah. But I had this chicken bowl. It's like a chicken, what is it called again? It's called a barbecue chicken box with avocado, fried eggs, corn, and a mac and cheese. Ooh. Why aren't you focusing? I need you to focus. Focus. Thank you. But this is a chicken bowl with corn. I think these are mac and cheese noodles, like salad with lettuce, chicken, white rice, and to be honest, this Hawaiian platter is amazing. I do have some leftovers because I tend to overeat sometimes, so I'm learning not to, overeat. But we're gonna put this in the refrigerator and then heat it up for later. Eat the salad and the chicken later, and probably cut some tomatoes and lettuce to make a little bit of a chicken salad thing. But the kimchi, I'm probably gonna give it to someone else because it's spicy, and I don't eat spicy food a lot, but it was delicious. I never tried Hawaiian food, and it's approved from me. But yeah, I think I'm just relaxed today. I took 2 weeks off. 1 week because I was horribly sick. It was like a whole entire thing, especially with this coronavirus thing going on. But I just had the regular sore throat and cold, and my brother just had the regular flu. But we are over the sickness. But I think I want to talk a little bit about what's been going on with this coronavirus thing, and basically how New York is right now, because it's been crazy. Everybody's panicking, and these news outlets are really not, they're confusing of what they're trying to tell us. It's just so confusing. I'll probably sit down and talk to you guys about it in a minute, so give me just 1 second. Okay, so it's been crazy since, you know, the whole coronavirus thing just came about. I think the last time I checked, it was about 105 cases, I think, of people with coronavirus in New York City. Like I said, I was sick last week, and my brother was sick last week, and it was like all of a sudden we were sick. I had a sore throat, which was a regular sore throat, and he and he had a flu, but it was regular flu. So we're literally just over that. We're better. We were a little bit more, we're like better right now. But last week was a little bit, you know, that after sickness effect hit. But this week, we're like amazing. We have the most energy. But the coronavirus is mostly attacking elderly, and some of them, I don't even know how many deaths in New York right now. Like last time I checked, it was like 9. But they're mostly people who have like heart, not heart, but like lung problems, and elderly, and people with like immune issues. But I literally got a humidifier to just, you know, clear the air and everything. I'm getting new sheets because, you know, the sickness, we ain't got time for that. But everybody has been panicking because I've been going to like stores to get either like Lorac wipes or something, and they're sold out everywhere. Bottles of water from Costco's and BJ's, I've seen that they were sold out also, and I just don't know. Like, I watched the news to see what's going on and everything, but it's kind of confusing. Of one side says, yeah, we're gonna get testing. One side says that they're gonna shut down schools. I know they shut down a couple of schools already. The other says no. One says that they don't have enough testing for everyone. It's just all confusing right now. Everybody's just don't touch me type of state right now, which I don't blame them. My job literally is taking very precautions on that, especially since, you know, we have a gym and stuff. And my building also is doing the same thing. They told us don't recommend us to shake hands, do the elbow thing, just like touch elbows. But train stations, people have been avoiding other people. People have been wearing their mask, which they said if you're not sick, the mask doesn't do anything for you. But it's just been a little bit crazy out here in New York. I know in Italy they have a travel ban, and I know still in China they have a travel ban. But everywhere has just been getting a little bit crazy. I know California just stated a state of emergency, and New York this weekend just stated a state of emergency by Governor Cuomo. So hopefully it'll be over. Hopefully everyone gets better. Rest in peace to the people who did pass away from this disease. But it's just been a crazy time. Like a very crazy time. Everybody's just deciding if they're not doing anything just to stay home, which is a good thing. Just keep your house clean. Just keep your house clean. Your air can be clean. Do filters. Humidifiers are good for the air, to clean your air in your house. But if you're sick, I know they said if you're sick to call in, so tell them the symptoms so they can, you know, prepare a room for when you get there. Now if you don't, I don't think if you have a fever, because I had a mild fever. My brother had a fever that was really high, but it's better to call them so they can prepare just in case you do have it. It is curable if you have a good immune system. What I say, just take a lot of vitamins. Orange juice is good for vitamin D. Since we're in New York, there's not a lot of vitamin D for us due to like all the buildings, and it's mostly rainy and dark, so we don't get that much vitamins that other people like in the countryside do. So just take a lot of vitamin D. Orange juice is good in the morning for your vitamin D. It helps your immune system way too much. So that's what I would recommend. But yeah, that's going to be it for this corona shit. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in a minute. Guys, I'm gonna stop the video here because I am gonna do a part 2 video for this room makeover. I'm probably gonna do 3 parts, or 3 or 2 parts, and then, or probably 2 parts and then the room tour, probably, or 3 parts and then room tour. I don't know. I'll see what goes along, but I'll end this video right now. It's good to be back doing videos and doing a room makeover. I am going to do another one for my brother room, so wait up for that because it's coming soon. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, and deuces.